I just want to thank everyone who's trying to do what they can to help out. On Tuesday, the 12th, I was in class, and then after I got out at 7 o'clock, I got a text message saying from my in laws asking if my family were okay because there was an earthquake in Haiti. That's when I had learned that there was an earthquake in Haiti. And I wasn't worried too much until I got home and I saw the news how bad it was. The one who's older back home, she's 23 years old. She told me that she was in school when it happened, and there was a three-story building that fell on her, and she was stuck for 18 hours, and her leg was injured. One of her legs was injured, and our house is destroyed right now. The kids, they have nowhere to sleep. They've been sleeping on the streets since the earthquake happened, and also they have no food or water. It's really sad and heartbreaking because I cannot do anything about it. I'm very thankful for the doctors who are going down to Haiti, my country, to help the people. um, I know they are doing it for free, and I'm thankful to them. And I, I don't know. I ask that people keep on praying for us, and hopefully we'll be able to find a solution to um, rebuild the country and help the people down there in any way that we can. And thank you to everyone who's doing something to help out.